snake, move like a snake, snake, move like.
I'm back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review in watercolor method. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you will never miss a single video. The company name is called Lumina. Hopefully that's saying that right. Here's what the packaging looks like. This is an 8-inch bob, 180% density, 100% human hair. It did come with a net, and this is what it looks like. It sheds. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. You get two combs in the front. No. 3 combs in the back. 1 in the front with adjustable straps. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on me before I color it. This is how the back looks. This wig cannot be 8 inches, but I'm not mad. They gave me a headband, bobby pins, a tweezer, a wig cap. On the back it has their WhatsApp. Follow the store to get an extra discount. They'll pay you $10 for feedback when you order the hair. Recommend friends to win a free wig. Post pictures on Facebook or Instagram for $15. Make a video for YouTube or Instagram and you get $20 off. If you have any questions, contact them. What? We are searching for our hair promoters. If you want to, please contact us, okay? Even though they did contact me, but I didn't have the money for it at the time. So yeah, this video is not sponsored though.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
none of you guys get high as me. Whoa, post my drip up daily.